Day forecast.
Well, what a difference just a few days makes. Just a few days ago, I was talking about the record rainfall in the region, and over the course of the next week, things are expected to be bone dry. So as we look live outside, no matter where you are, don't let the sunny skies deceive you, because the winds can still pose a very real threat in San Diego, though it does look really gorgeous outside right now. So you'll want to especially be careful if you're spending any amount of time in the foothills or mountain areas. One, because the high winds can cause some issues with high-profile vehicles, and two, because of all the recent rain, the ground will still be saturated, and that combined with the strong winds can potentially cause some toppling trees. Because we are getting that Santa Ana pattern, that's going to be warming temperatures up and at the same time bringing those humidity levels down, and we are going to be seeing a warming trend over late next week. This is what Alpine looks like right now, and I want to show you this because it gives you a good indicator of what most of the mountain communities are dealing with. We are warming up to 60 degrees currently with northeasterly winds at 22 miles an hour. These are the wind gusts currently, so still blowing hard over at Sill Hill, 73 miles an hour. Big Black Mountain clocking in at 49 miles an hour currently. And like I mentioned, those humidity levels are going down, especially the closer you are to the mountains. So Escondido coming in at 18%, as well as Ramona, and 45% in Poway. So we are waking up pretty chilly this morning, especially in Mount Laguna. They are coming in freezing. They were below freezing earlier this morning. 36 degrees in El Cajon and mid-50s along our coast. As we progress into the day, you can see those temperatures are going to climb to 68 degrees, and we are just a couple degrees above average, though next week we are going to be warming up to anywhere between 10 to 15 degrees above where we usually are. Inland areas are going to be just a couple degrees warmer, and as we progress into the afternoon, you can see we're warming up to the upper 60s along the coast and inland spots, and 47 degrees is expected over in Julian. So this is a look at the big picture. This high pressure system here is what's turning the wind direction offshore, and so that's causing the return of the Santa Ana winds. It is going to be warming things up, and also the gusts are expected to come up as well. So that wind alert, there is a wind advisory in effect until tomorrow at 1 p.m. With gusts anywhere between 35 and 55 miles an hour. But the mountain spots are what's going to be getting the brunt of the damage from the strong winds, anywhere between 70 miles an hour and up. So as we take a look at the next 7 days along the coast, we are warming up to anywhere between the lower 70s, but those overnight lows are going to stay anywhere in the low 50s. Sunny skies throughout, no chances of rain. Taking a look inland, though, overnight we are expected to dip down to the 40s, and it is gradually going to warm up by midweek from Wednesday into Friday. Mountain areas, so the winds will persist, especially for this weekend into early next week, and we are going to be dipping down to the 30s even by the overnight hours. And finally, in the desert 7-day forecast, this is where that weather system will be originating from. We are going to be warming up to the upper 70s by midweek.
Skycam Views.